Lalaboom toys allow children from 1 to 4 years old to develop skills step by step. Our rainbow arches invite exploration of colors and textures. This balance activity improves fine motor skills. Your child can connect Lalaboom beads and arches, challenging his wildest imagination. Our activity pegboard is a building base to connect beads onto, and with a variety of cards, offers your child color-matching play or memory games while stimulating his dexterity. Additional free cards can be downloaded. Introducing our versatile 3-in-1 shape sorter. Turn it upside down and it becomes a balance and stacking game. You can also use the panels as an activity board. Lalaboom offers an amazing world of developmental beads and compatible accessories that encourages your child to explore, create, and expand their design and build talents. Lalaboom, step by step.